vlog. So today we're going to Islamic Museum. Come with us. So nagsasapatos na ako. And then we're ready to go. Bye! Sobrang init nga lang, as in, like, hindi, summer naman na kasi. Iba yung init niya sa, ay, yung elevator. Iba yung init niya, hindi katulad sa Pilipinas. Sobrang tapat na tapat, kaya fast forward na kami pumunta dito. Ay, yan. So, akit kami dito sa elevator. Kapag pumasok kayo, meron silang restaurant dito. Tingnan natin kung magkano yung presyo. Ito yung foods nila. Of course. It's gluten-free, something like that. Kaya siya medyo 65 mahal. Then ito yung restaurant niya. Merong view ng Cornish, kaya siya maganda. O, diba? We're done with the food fest exhibition. No, it's a food and feasting in the Islamic world. So basically, it's about the food of their culture, something like that. So hanapin na namin kung saan ba kami pupunta ngayon. Ganda dito sa labas. Ganda ng coffee shop nila. Pero it's very expensive for us na pwede mo naman siyang kunin sa labas na very cheap. So, meron silang total of like, 5 for museum, gallery, and exhibition as well. As you can see here. Yan. So, akit tayo. Saan tayo akit? Sa first floor? First floor. Labas na kami. Dun sa first floor of exhibition. It's more likely what do you call this? Yung mga bowls, ganyan. Tapos, hindi ako masyado makapag-video sa loob kasi madilim. So, yun. Okay tayo. Next stop is the second floor. Most of the artifacts that you can see here is something like this. Yes. So, I think it's all the same. On the first, second, and third floor until the fourth floor. Artifacts from the past, mostly porcelain, jars, manuscripts, and everything. hindi lang ako makapag-video kasi sobrang dilim dito, as you can see naman. Wala naman masyadong tao, pero ayun. The third floor exhibition, and now for the last fourth floor again. So wala naman kasi masyado talaga dun sa loob. Mostly naman sa third floor is carpets, and then pots and porcelain, and what else, armoires as well. So check namin kung ano meron dito sa fourth floor. So mostly makikita natin dito sa fourth floor is calligraphy. Mostly is this one, and so they like this one, and the cutest part would be the mini auditorium, so that you can watch some of the explanation how they do or how they done the calligraphy and anything else. I don't know, like that. Yeah, I think we're done with all the exhibitions doors sa museum. Tapos na kami, naikot na namin lahat. So generally, of course, tungkol siya sa Islam, from calligraphy, from their manuscripts, their pots, their porcelains, and everything, from food. Basta yun lang talaga generally. Hindi ko lang talaga siya ma-video as much because it's very madilim. So the last floor would be the restaurant. There's another restaurant. I don't know if it's the same on the ground floor, but we'll see. Okay, and we decided not to go to the last floor because it's a restaurant. Baka tanongin kami. Wala naman kaming pera. So we're just gonna go downstairs and see whatever we can do. So we are here in their gift shop. So marami ka rin naman pwedeng bilhin dito, lalo na kung ikaw ay visitor. So meron silang mga magnet or coffee things, mugs, games, this, and meron din sila ng baya. Meron din sila mga t-shirts and jackets. And this, parang gusto ko to. Parang maganda, oo. Parang maganda siya. Ano to? Postcards. Hindi. Notebook. Aray ko yung ilong ko. Postcards. Hindi kasi ginawa nila, yung queen nila ganito. Nakaabay. And here also mugs. Meron din silang mga mugs. Ganyan. Dami. Like, maganda rin naman yung qualities. Yan. And everything. It's so amazing sa labas. Museum. Makikita mo dito yung like, masasabi mong Doha. This is Doha. You know what I mean? Ito yung masasabi mong, this is Doha. Let me show you. Ganda! Ganda! Let me show you this thing. Masyadong kita, yan. Wow! Mas maganda siya in person pag makikita kaysa sa camera. Yan, ito yung entrance niya. This is what our view looks like. With the sea line. And that's it for today. I hope that you enjoy my video. So tomorrow we will go to the grocery so we can prepare the sunrise.